In Ireland, there's an old saying, óige, agus tiocfaidh. Praise the young and they will flourish. This proverb or seanachal is a gentle reminder that encouragement is what allows children to grow more fully into themselves. In ancient Ireland, children were not only raised by their families, but were held within the wider tribe. In noble families, there was a tradition of fosterage, where children spent time with other noble families, deepening bonds across kin. This also ensures that a child was supported, guided and affirmed by many. This proverb speaks to the power of encouragement over criticism. When children are seen, valued and supported, they gain the confidence to develop their gifts. Growth happens not through harshness, but through steady affirmation and guidance. This proverb reaches beyond childhood too. Within each of us lives a younger self that is curious, creative, and still unfolding. The way we speak to that part of ourselves shapes how we grow. What was once wounded or neglected in childhood can, once affirmed with kindness, encouragement, and compassion, transform into vitality and new possibility. óige, agus tiocfaidh. Praise the young, and they will flourish.